You could throw it in a circle while you're riding now.
Bust down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up.
Hey y'all, so we back with episode 4 or 5 with the sex series. As you can see, we're in the bed because where does the magic happen? In the bed. So I'm here with my best friend Pam. She's going to be giving tips on things that she does. I'm going to be talking about things that I do when I'm riding. I'm not the best rider. We are not professionals. We just two girls who are still learning and trying to help y'all out.
Yep.
So let's get started with the video. Riding. From a scale from 1 to 10, how do you like it?
10. Love it.
I'm at a 4. I don't like riding dick, to be honest, but now that I'm getting better, I enjoy it.
But it's still a 4?
Yeah, really. It's just too much work. Maybe I'm just too lazy. But y'all, and the crazy part is I don't be lazy.
I feel like once you get the hang of it, you'll like it way better.
Maybe.
Back the fuck up.
Let's hop into it. So, for someone who just started riding, not just started, but someone who struggles with riding, what is some of the tips that you have to get them comfortable with doing it?
Comfortable, I'll say if the guy is laying on the bed, it's easier.
So you feel like the bed is the easiest spot to start?
Yeah.
Okay. So laying on the bed. So we got him on the bed. This is our man, you guys.
Yeah.
We got him on the bed just like this.
Yeah, make sure he's lean, like his head will be like this, but he's like lean, like on the headboard a little bit.
Really?
Yes.
Not flat?
No.
Continue.
Why flat?
I've been doing it flat.
Flat is so uncomfortable.
It is.
If your back hurts.
It does.
Yeah. Don't do that. You know, he gotta be like, he's gonna be laid down, but not all the way laid down. Like, he's gonna have some, like, his head is gonna be slightly.
Okay, so you feel like, just to let everybody know, she thinks that the best way to do it is have them kind of like this then.
Yeah, like a little bit more
over, like we're doing like this.
Like that.
Okay.
So that way you could, the girl is on top, right? And she could lean forward to have this for her support.
So she's holding on to this.
Yes.
Like this, you
and
guys.
like her breast, however, wherever your size is, you know, your breast might be up to his face, and you're just, you know, and I'll say you just take your time. Once you get on top.
Take your time for real, you guys. I feel like, know what I know now, take my time. Because I'm a fast person. I like to do everything quick.
Yeah, don't rush that. But like when you're on top, you don't rush it. Like, it shouldn't be rushed. It's going to hurt. I think so, yeah.
You know what? Because normally, you guys, me personally, when I ride, he's flat. Like, the guy is flat, and there's 2 ways that I ride. And then Pam will tell her 2 ways, or how many ways she do it. But the ways that I personally ride, I am either hopping on it, like 2 legs down, and I'm bouncing. Or I'll be 2 legs down, and I'm just going back and forth. Kind of in a bouncing motion, but I'm going back and forth like a seesaw. But this is going to hurt your knees and your legs.
I was about to say, if you don't got the mega knees.
Yeah. If you do not have mega knees, be weary of just hopping on it and just jumping. You got to really practice with your knees and build that strength in your legs.
Or you could start like stretching or doing yoga, because that'll help with your knees.
And that's helped me a lot. Yoga, Pilates. It hurt though. Pilates.
But it's
stretch
really
a lot.
Yes.
Stretching is your best friend.
Best friend.
If y'all don't get nothing else out of riding in our tips, stretch.
Yes.
Stretch. Another way I do it, I have just been getting better at getting on my knees and kind of like grinding on it when you're on your knees. If y'all understand what I mean, like you're the man is here, you're on your knees and you're just grinding on it. So that's another way that I do it. I don't like that way. I prefer to bounce.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
But how do you do it?
Me, I usually whine on the dick.
She's Caribbean. Wine bonnet!
Name something you like your girlfriend to do to your face.
I want to say sit on it.
Yes! Sit on it! Everybody feels better now.
So I'll be like, it's so hard to do a demonstration. Hold on, let me. Oh my god. Okay, so let me do it this way. So you're like, this is you, and you're like, well, this is you. This. Okay, sorry. So
puppet show.
You're like, okay, and then you're like winding up, like you're playing with the tip with your, your
cootie cat.
Yeah, there you go. And then you're just going up and down. You're playing with the tip, just going up and down, winding. And then you could go, slowly down and keep whining and whining back up, whining back down, whining back up. And that's one way to do it.
I've been practicing that. I've actually taken Pam's advice and I practice whining. Like, I'll open, and then here's the thing that I think that me being a plus size girl, when you're riding, open your legs as wide as you can.
Yeah.
Because it'll help. If your legs are so close together while trying to ride,
you're going to be tense.
And it is hard. And then your ass going to be like, it's sweating. And I sweat easy. So try to open those legs as wide as possible. And if your hips hurt, go back to doing yoga, stretching, or like stuff to open up your hips. Open it wide.
That's why we said stretch. Because
stretching is so important.
It's going to help you. Especially if you want to do the positions, like certain positions that you want
crazy
to try.
Positions.
Yeah. A lot of crazy positions.
Reverse cowgirl. Turnaround cowgirl.
Reverse cowgirl is a good one.
Me personally, I think one of my favorite places to ride is on the edge of the bed. I love to ride on the edge of the bed. I have more support because my bed has like a little part I can put my foot on. I have more support and I could really bounce, crazy bounce. And if I can't bounce, then I'll really just start throwing that thing back. Throwing it back, throwing it back, throwing it back. Because the edge of the bed gives you support. You guys have to find what works for you.
Yeah,
I
agree.
I think that's the thing about sex. You have to really find what works for you.
Yeah. Because
everything don't work for everybody. I didn't know about what the position you said with having them on the headboard. I was never doing that.
Yeah, that's how I did it. I can't. It always hurted me, so that's why I never, ever just
have them straight flat?
Yeah.
Okay, because that shit do be hurting me.
Yeah. If they're lying straight flat, I'm doing reverse cowgirl.
I hate reverse cowgirl.
I like it. You just feel everything. I feel like that position right there, you feel literally everything.
Hell yeah. That
I could take anything but that. God.
So if your man got a big thing, just know.
Right. Sheesh.
Do you feel like certain sizes, like certain dick sizes, matter when riding?
I don't think it matters.
I feel like it doesn't matter for small girls. But I feel like if you got a fat butt, a fat ass, or if you're heavier, I feel like small dicks ain't gonna do much when you on there.
Yeah.
Trying to keep it in, it's slipping out.
If you're a small size, right, and you're a thick, thicker. Okay. Have you ever?
Yes, that's what I've said. I've had a small dick before, and riding was not our forte.
Dang.
Because it just kept coming in and out. Like, no offense to any guy who isn't big or medium. If you are smaller, riding is going to be harder for you. Not because you got to do anything, but for the woman. Like, if you have a bigger woman, you ain't got enough dick. That's just what it is. that Jim what it is. But there's other positions for small dicks, though. There is other positions for small dicks. Don't give up hope.
But I feel like there's positions for small dicks with writing too. For you just have to know the position, like the right position too. Like, and he gotta learn. Like, he gotta know how to work his. Like, it's not all about the women too. It's all about the man.
It should work in unison, y'all.
Yeah.
And for the ladies who want to, a tip for the girls who ride with bouncing, like if you're a bouncer like me, like you bouncing, I would suggest hold your man, interlock with your man's hands while you're bouncing because it gives you so much support. So like this, like if Pam is on me and I'm on top of her, I'm giving it all, and he's holding and supporting my hand. So you guys, it is.
Sorry, I don't know if I grip your hand too hard.
No, you didn't. But yeah, like that's a tip for me for all the bouncers because that has saved my life a lot. Or if you don't care about your man, put your hand on his chest.
Yes,
put your hand on his chest. Yeah. Bounce that thing.
And sometimes he'll hold you your hand right there too.
And if you have one of those good dudes who put their hand under your butt, my homegirl told me that. They'll help you. You know, I've never ran across a dude who did that.
Never, me neither.
They be lazy. I ain't gonna flex.
Yeah, these dudes do be lazy.
But if you can bounce and you tell him like, babe, grip my butt, and he's helping you bounce, y'all finna get lit. Y'all finna get lit. And another tip, like what Pam was saying about when the guy is this way and you're on top of them, I've not done it that way, but if you can get it in the position where he can come up and grip you like this.
Yes.
Mine. That shit is fire too. I've done it, but my man was laying down when I did it, and he came up and he like grabbed the hell out of me and was giving it to me. So that's another thing too. You could tell babe, you know, grab me, hold me, fuck me, daddy. Like, talk. Tell your man what you want while you're riding.
Yeah.
Any other tips?
I never did all that, but but that sounds like some lit shit. But
it is.
Another tip I have is you could do it on a chair or a couch.
Oh yeah, riding on a chair and a couch.
And you could do either grinding, hopping, either or, like whatever you're comfortable with. You could do that.
That's number 2 for me. Riding on the couch is number 2 on the best way for me. The edge of the bed and riding on the couch. Them 2, immaculate.
Yeah, and then make sure you're looking into their eyes when you're riding.
I don't like looking into a man's eyes. Yeah, that's... and they're going to fall in love. Or I'm going to fall in love. He might dickmatize me looking in his eyes. I hope you guys enjoyed our riding dick video. If y'all want to see a part 2, please give us a thumbs up. If y'all have any questions, whether y'all send it through my Instagram or message me personally or email me, I will answer your questions. I will be doing a part 2 on the giving head video because a lot of people had personal questions that they asked me. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks, Pam, for being here.
Welcome.